I stepped into the Église Saint-Jean-Baptiste, built in the 14th century and welcoming pilgrims for hundreds of years before they crossed the Pyrenees. That evening, at the Pilgrim's Mass, I sat grateful for the 1,600 kilometers behind me and ready for the climb ahead. Looking forward to my stay at Gite Bellari, and it did not disappoint. The welcome was warm, the atmosphere relaxed, exactly what I needed after 600 kilometers from Le Puy. Dinner was outstanding, the bed comfortable, and for the first time in weeks, I could simply rest. Tomorrow, the Camino Frances begins with the climb over the Pyrenees.